Hey, Mr. Wazakowski. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, there's some kind of clay all inside this boat, all over it. Crumbles real easy. I don't know if it was from a clay bar maybe that they used when they buffed the boat. I don't know, but anyway, no big deal, just a deal. But like I say, not a big deal. So
Gonna have to work on the steering.
yeah, so the steering has not been locked down. There should be a block behind the dash that fork right down there
Yeah.
goes on either side of that block. And then there will be a nut on your steering gearbox that you can loosen, and that'll rotate so that you can so you can raise that up. Yeah. So the other thing that we've noted is there is no wiring. I haven't got under there personally myself, but there's no wiring to the gauges. There is some wiring to the switches, but we don't find the other end of the wiring back here anywhere. This is just wire. Right, well, they might have gone on the outside of the stringer. Okay, we're trying to locate the wiring. It normally comes down through the center.
Well, there's only a couple wires they got running out that side from under the dash anyway. There's only a couple wires.
Okay.
And they ran them themselves. Somebody ran them.
Okay. So is that a mechanical tack? Have you got it? Have you laid in there where you can see?
Yeah, it's a mechanical tack.
But we have no tack cable.
No tack cable.
All right. And oil pressure, is it mechanical or is it electric?
The electric is, all the other gauges is electric.
All the other gauges are electric, okay. The only wiring that I see right here is I see perhaps there's a, no, there's not. Perhaps there's a ground. White and yellow were used, depending on the year of the boat, white or yellow were used for grounds. I see a red. So one of those reds could be from the voltage regulator to the amp gauge, and the other one could be from the battery up to the amp gauge. Possibly, we don't know. I don't want to have to, right now, typically they brought right now, if there is wiring, it's in the wrong space. It's underneath that panel over there, but there's definitely not enough wires for these may be enough for the temperature, the oil pressure.
Show them this.
Oh, wow. Look at this. That's that clay we're talking about.
Yeah, this boat is covered with it. This interior is all nastied up.
Yeah, well, we'll have to do some detailing for sure.
And if I could get this out, because that steering wheel's on top of it.
Yeah, you have to pull the back up. You got to pull the back up, tilt it up that way. There you go. Now slide the front under the wheel. That wheel's not helping you, Matt. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop the video now to help him get this out of there. But it's not just a simple engine install. We got a lot of stuff to do. Thanks.